Hello student, today we are going to topic structure of antibody. Now see the structure of antibody are glycoprotein are the glycoprotein and the specific antigen which are highly specific to the specific antigen. They are also known as immunoglobulin. They are also known as immunoglobulin, or that is known as IgS, produced in response to antigen stimulation. जर आमच्याकडे फॉरेन बॉडी इंट्रोड्यूस एंटर द human body, now see these immunoglobulin produced in a response to the antigen stimulate करते immunology ला. Okay, antibody are produced by plasma cells. Now inside the plasma cells are presented in blood cells, which in turn are formed by B lymphocytes. The mature plasma cells produce antibody at an extremely rapid rate, that is about 2000 molecules per second. Now it is a very fast growth, 2000 molecule per second. Okay, now see the structure of antibody. The structure of antibody, it is the anti-binding sites, both N sites. Now see the next light chain, and this is a highly chains, or also known as thin and heavy chains. Another sides of this is a left side, variable region of the heavy chains N and anti-gene binding site N, both sides just like a lock and key system in the enzymatic position. Variable region of the light chain, constant region of the light chain, and it is a double bond system. Now see the S type of system of double bond system, and it is constantly region of blood of the light chain, constant region of the heavy chain. Okay, just like a S bond system. Okay, it's clear. Now see structure of antibody. Now listen here. Structure of antibody is a Y shape, just like a Y. Okay, molecule, each immunoglobulin molecules are made up of 4 polypeptide chains. There are 2 heavy H chains and 2 light or L chains. Okay, 2 heavy chains and 2 light or L chains. The 4 polypeptide chains are held together by disulfide bond, or double S bonds. It's also known as. Form a Y-shaped structure. The region holding together arm and stem of antibody is termed as ring. Each chain of the antibody includes 2 distinct regions of the variable region and the constant region. Variable region constitute the antigen binding site. कुठं कन्स्ट्रक्ट करते अँटीजीन बाइंडिंग साइटला. And a variable region constitute the antigen binding site paratope. त्यालाच म्हणतात paratope. This part of antibody recognizes and binds to the specific antigen to form an antigen antibody complex. Since most antibody carry 2 antigen binding sites, they are said to be covalent. Okay, now find out is self formation of antibody is especially in study of antibody interaction is called serology. Okay, now see the defined serology. The study of cells inside the blood is called as serology. Each antibody is specific for a particular antigen combined site. Antigen called antigenic determinants epitopes react. Okay, now see the diagrammatically representation of antigen determinant epitope sites, both sides, and paratopes of antibody bound epitopes. This is a bound position antigen and 1-2 antigen, globular protein and virus. Okay, now see, listen with the corresponding antigen binding site of antibody called paratopes. The antigen binding site paratopes are located on the variable region of the antibody. Okay, a small variation of variable region make each antibody highly specific for a particular antigen. The variable region of enable the antibody to recognize the specific antigen and bind to specific antigen in a lock and key system or a lock and key manner, forming antigen body complex. Now see antigen blood cells. The antigen blood cells, there are several known as antigen on the surface of human red blood cells. These antigens give rise to different blood groups. There are many genetically determined blood group system like ABO blood group system or Rh diffusicide group system like ABO-RH diffuse. Kids lives on the MNSP Bombay blood group. Okay, blood groups. The ABO blood groups were discovered by Carl Landsteiner. In 19th centuries, later on the blood group AB was discovered by Landsteiner. Student Discastel on Struley in 1992. Landsteiner was awarded a Nobel Prize. Discovered human blood group. हे शास्त्रज्ञ आहे कर्ल लँडस्टायनर नावाचा. 1900 शतकामध्ये त्यांनी फर्स्ट ऑब्झर्व आणि डिस्कवर्ड केला की ब्लड ग्रुप देर आर 4 टाईप्सचे असतात इन ह्युमन बिंग, ABO अँड AB अँड O blood group. Now see, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for the discovery of human blood group. He found antigen aggregation on the surface of human red blood cells and named them as antigen A and antigen B. त्यांनी दोघाला नाव दिले antigen A and antigen B. He also noticed the corresponding antibodies or agglutinin in the sperm in the serum called A and B. ब्लडच्या सिरममधून त्यांनी डिटेक्शन केला की अँटीजिन A आहे and अँटीजिन B आहे. ओके, नाउ सी द चार्ट फॉर अ ब्लड ग्रुप. The blood group A genotype capital I capital A capital I capital A or capital I capital A capital I capital small o, that is antigen on surface of RBCs A. त्याला ब्लड ग्रुप काय कन्सिडर करायचा A. अँड अँटीबॉडी इस सिरममध्ये काय असेल अँटीबॉडी त्याची B असेल. ओके, इट्स क्लिअर. कॅन डोनेट ब्लड टू. आता हे कोणाला डोनेट करू शकतो? फक्त ब्लड ग्रुप A अँड ब्लड ग्रुप B. कॅन रिसीव ब्लड फॉर्म. कोणाचा ब्लड घेऊ शकतो? ब्लड ग्रुप A अँड ब्लड ग्रुप O. ओके, इट्स क्लिअर. नाउ नेक्स्ट, blood group B is capital I capital B capital I capital B or capital I capital B or capital I capital small o. Okay, antibody in the position. Now consideration of blood group B and in the side of serum antibody A. Okay, blood can donate blood capital B blood group B or blood group AB. Okay, and can receive a B or O blood group. Now see the third in blood group AB. Now special category of blood group AB, the universal acceptor. It is a special character for this blood group. कोणाचाही ते ॲक्सेप्ट करू शकतो, कोणाचाही ब्लड त्यांना बॉडीमध्ये कमतरता पडल्यावर घेऊ शकतो. नाउ सी जीनोटाइप कैपिटल A और कैपिटल A और कैपिटल B. Okay, it's clear. An antigen on surface of RBCs, capital A and capital B. An antibody in serum is absent or nil. त्यालाच नील असं म्हणतो. Can donate blood only AB and can receive blood from AB or O, universal acceptor blood group or असं त्याला म्हणतात. And last and next, O, universal donor. In this blood group special characteristics for the universal donor, कोणालाही ब्लड देऊ शकतो. नाव कॅपिटल आय कॅपिटल ओ, जीनोटाइप कॅपिटल आय कॅपिटल ओ, अँड अँटीजीन ऑफ सरफेस ऑफ ब्लड, त्याच्या ब्लडच्या आरबीसीस और सरफेसवर ॲबसेंट असतो. नील, बोथ अँटीबॉडी ए अँड अँटीबॉडी बी, दोन्हीही त्याची अँटीबॉडी उपलब्ध आहे. अँड can donate A, B or AB, okay, universal donor, and can receive blood group only 1 O. It is a very critical patient and critical candidate for the O blood group in man. त्याला दुसऱ्याचं कोणाचाही ब्लड घ्यायला जमत नाही, फक्त ABOच पाहिजे. In ABO system the blood group are determined by the presence of or absence of antigen A and antigen B. कशावर डिटेक्ट करतो आम्ही? Only one, presence or absence of antigen A and antigen B. Blood group of persons is classified into 4 group: A, B, AB and O. Okay, there are 4 types of blood group in human being: capital A, capital B, capital AB or O group. Now see the special studying and explain the individual blood group. A, individuals with blood group A have antigen A and the surface their red blood cells RBCs and antibody B in their plasma. प्लाझ्मा मध्ये काय असतो? antibody B असतो. Now see the blood group B. Individual with blood group B have the antigen B, the surface of their RBCs can, and antibody A their plasma. Blood group AB, individual with blood group AB have both antigen A and antigen B on the surface of their RBCs and no antibody their plasma. AB blood ग्रुप्सच्या प्लाझ्मामध्ये अँटीबॉडी उपलब्ध नसतो. ओके, नाव नेक्स्ट अँड लास्ट, blood group O, individual with blood group O lack both antigen A and B. Special character for this blood group: both antigen are present, antigen A and antigen B on the surface of their RBCs, and show presence of both A and B antibody in their plasma. त्याच्या प्लाझ्मामध्ये सुद्धा दोन्ही अँटीबॉडी उपलब्ध असतात. Now next and important point, the RH factor of blood inside human being. Please, sorry, 1 minute. RH factor. RH is the most complex of the blood group system. RH factor is an antigen protein present in the surface of the blood cells in the human beings. कशाला म्हणतात आर एच फॅक्टर? Antigen protein present on the surface of the red blood cells in the human beings. It was discovered by Landsteiner. कोणी याचा शोध लावला? लँडस्टायनर, विनर अँड वेनर दोन शास्त्रज्ञांनी शोध लावला 1940 शतकामध्ये. ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ आर्बिसिस ऑफ ऱ्युसस मंकी. कशावर? मंकीच्या रेड ब्लड्सवर सर्च केलं त्यांनी. सो इट इज कॉल्ड आर एच नेगेटिव्ह फॅक्टर, ऑल्सो कॉल्ड DNT. Persons have RH factor DNT are called RH positive and those lacking DNT are called RH negative. Okay, RH positive and RH negative. Okay, RH DNT induce a strong immunogenic response when introduced into RH negative individual. RH blood group is an important factor in blood transfusion and is involved hemolytic disease of the newborn, HDN, which is called erythroblastosis fetus, destruction of the erythrocytes of the fetus. It occurs when an RH negative mother can the recessive of RH positive fetus. The RH positive RBCs from the fetus may be enter the mother circulatory system during childbirth, causing here the produce antigen and anti-RH antibodies. As a result, subsequent RH positive fetus will be exposed to the anti-RH antibodies produced by mother, which result in HDN. Okay, in order to prevent HDN, mother is injected with the anti-RH body during all pregnancies carrying out RH positive fetus. एखादी मदर प्रेग्नेंट असेल, त्याच्या ब्लड ग्रुप चेक केल्यानंतर RH निगेटिव्ह आल्यास तर त्या मदर्सला इंजेक्ट करण्यात येतो प्रेग्नन्सीज कॅरिंग RH पॉझिटिव्ह फिटस येण्यासाठी. त्याच्या ब्लडमध्ये इंजेक्ट करून त्याला RH फॅक्टर पॉझिटिव्ह त्यांच्या इंजेक्टेड करण्यात येतो. ओके, इट्स क्लिअर. नाव सी द कॅन यू टेल the blood group of Krutis is ORH positive. What will possible blood groups of her parents? Now in this question, the 75% chances may be the RH factor RH positive possibility and 25% possibility RH negative. Now, moronmi is called as a universal blood acceptor. What is the blood group? AB blood group. Okay, AB blood group is a universal blood acceptor. Okay. Now today is sufficient. Thank you very much.